Hey guys, thanks for teaching me about muscle cars and stuff. I gotta go though. James probably misses me. Holy crap, it's snowing. So cold. Put on my gloves. Where's my... Ooh. Yeah, that's good. Yay, Uber! Yo!
Hi.
Home to LA!
Are you audience member? I have a pickup for audience member?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Hi.
Hi. So you're headed to LA.
Yeah.
So what are you doing in Ohio?
The guys at Lucore Automotive were teaching me about muscle cars and stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What did you learn anything?
Yeah. Hey. Are you into more power, baby?
Sure.
Yeah.
That's
more power, baby! Uh-oh. I don't have a ticket. I can't get on a plane without a ticket. Donut. I need a ticket to LA. I guess I'll just wait here until I get one. Bye.